Hey guys, light a fire. We got flint steel here, char cloth. Not sure how good this char cloth is, but give it a shot. There we go. Okay, so get it in there. Not a big piece. Here we go. You got this. Now we're going to put it down here, into here, and let me see if we got it on here. There we go. Throw a little pine cone on there from the golf course. Yeah, we got all kinds of stuff here, man. We'll get her going. Another little pine cone. That wasn't the stand's fault. That was my fault this time. But throw some stuff on there. A little bit of charcoal on there. A little wood. Hopefully the wind will kick in now. You know. Got the fire going down there. See it going down there. But this wind is really howling out here. Little kit. Vern's. Little flint. Got that from Vern too. Dirt cheap at the show. But yeah, man. Got the fire going now. Shut this off a second. It's working on a prototype wood gas stove. Nothing precise, no major holes. Church key. Punch, 3/8 drill. No major holes. The bottom is on the outer thing I'll show you after on the shell is blocked off. I'll get back to you. Now you can see a little better. Got a wood gas. It's coming out. It's not totally tight fitting. Chock full of nuts can. Another dog food can or vegetable can. But you see it's burning. Now I could have made it like, you know, like most of the other guys do. Someone else probably did this. There's no work involved in this, really. I mean, just a little punch and then a 3/8 drill. And a little church key on the bottom. Fold it in. So the bottom can is raised up a little bit. So now, I'll put this on. That is a little holder for my alcohol stoves. I just put my Canteen cup on there. See how she goes. It's a little smoke bush branches in there, some ornamental grass, and some fire starters to get this going. But yeah, it's working pretty good, man. Not a lot of work. I'll get into it a little more when I go back to my camp today, hopefully, and maybe we'll cook something on it. But I kind of wanted to make it simple. This is pretty simple. Now, if you want a fancy one, you just go ahead and drill all the holes and different sizes, do the usual paint can thing. But this is kind of impromptu, kind of fast. Didn't change things up too much. Okay, I'll get back to you. So that's like burning real clean. Real clean down in there. No smoke. All low smoke. I just drew some stuff in there. It'll start burning pretty soon. But I got back to you. Oh my. Batoning with a my MAM pocket knife. Not big into batoning, but yeah, sometimes it's cool. Like right now. See that wood? Nice. This wood's kind of resinous. So there you go, baby. Got my pieces. I'll throw them on my stove. See how she's doing. It's burning nice, man. Burn all the stuff in there. Now I'm just going to add some more wood. Take a look at the way that's burning. You see the wood gas is burning in there. I'm going to drop my pine and spruce tip in there. I have a little brew. Not a brewski, a brew. So, yeah. There you go. It's burning clean. Burning nice. It's running a lot of heat. Running pretty clean. Not too bad. We'll continue with this later. I'm going to do some fishing tonight and go to the camp before that.